Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, plus a fresh oil filter. Before starting, identify the oil drain plug and the oil filter on your vehicle. To begin, run your engine for a few minutes to warm the oil, making it flow more easily. Next, place your drain pan directly under the oil pan to catch the old oil. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow ample time for all the old engine oil to completely drain out into the pan. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before installing it. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, refill your engine with the recommended amount of fresh engine oil, typically around 4½ quarts. After refilling, replace the drain plug and wipe away any spilled oil. Double-check for leaks around both the drain plug and the new oil filter. Start your engine and let it run for a minute, ensuring the oil pressure light turns off. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to this insightful book, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.